but if you close your eyes.
I was trying to think of a dad joke for Camels, but I just can't. Sorry.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Know your imperfections, every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing.
G'day guys, we've made it to Cable Beach.
It's beautiful. About to watch the sun go down, have a picnic on the beach.
Water is lovely, sun is there.
Kids are naked.
Kids are having a great time. Oh wait, I thought of one. What do you call a camel with 3 humps?
Pregnant. So funny.
We just watched the camels go past, and we're sitting here having a lovely summers and just enjoying some beautiful family time. Lola's loving life with her little pram and her baby. The boys are having fun. Say hi, guys. Yeah, they said hi. And Raph is exploring and Fox is back up at the car. It's a beautiful afternoon on Cable Beach.
Let me taste it. Came a little closer, now you're shining. Never ever go mislead you. Don't believe the lies they feed you. Stop and stare like a sculpture.
Oh my god, it's amazing, guys. You should obviously go here because it's like the best place in Australia. Yep, Broome. Broome. B-O-R-M. Wait, no, B-R-O. Yeah, there you go.